was sitting around in my apartment thinking, what should I do with my extra time? It's a Saturday, you know, should I get crafty? Should I do something crazy? And so the crazy thing I came up with is DIYing an apron. So I work at a coffee shop at my school, and I get coffee on every piece of clothing I own, which is so frustrating because you spend so much money on your clothes and then here I am spilling all over them. So I decided to go on Amazon and I found a $5 green apron, got me some little pockets here, and I was like, this is cute, but a little boring for a coffee shop, and I wanted to kind of get that hipster vibe. So then I was like, well, I have some old denim laying around, so how about I do some denim patchwork on my apron? So today I am going to DIY an apron with some denim patches. I have no idea how this is going to turn out because one, I don't sew very often, and two, I've never DIY'd just about anything. So stick around if you want to see what this looks like at the end. No promises if it's going to be good. Subscribe down below and like this video.
To first get started, you're going to need an apron, any color that you want, scissors, a sewing kit, and of course some denim to make your patches out of. So I first decided to use the denim over the pockets that were originally on the apron. The most important tip to keep in mind is that the denim, you want it to contrast and you want texture. So I used a seam here, and I also used the inside of the denim to contrast with a lighter shade. After picking out and laying out how I wanted it, I sewed the patches together on their own, and then I sewed the three big, larger patches, I guess you could say, onto the apron itself. So when you're sewing onto the apron, it's tedious work, and you're going to want to make sure that your apron is actually flat underneath the patches, because if it's wrinkled, you're actually just sewing in like a cinched apron look, which is not what you're going for. So I only showed one patch that I finished, which would be this one right here. I wanted to show you guys this part because it's okay what it looks like on the back. It can be terribly ugly, but what matters is on the front. So if you're not a sewer like me, that is totally fine. So here I wanted to add a step of personalization, and I have never done embroidery before in my life. So I took a permanent marker actually and sketched out the lines where I wanted to sew, and then it made it a lot easier. It was more of a template for me to use and work off of, and it made it so easy to add my name to the apron, which I thought was a nice touch.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want more like this, like down below. I have a few more summer videos coming up next, so subscribe so you don't miss. Bye!